now your work, your own office, you get. So I dey go my own work. You can see. And I appreciate everyone seeing here. It's what they call Pami. Look at it. Pami, look at it. It's coming out on my working place. Look at the one we're about to bring up. Look at it. Open it. Oh, we have already opened it. Look at it. You can look. You see, with that bamboo we are using to climb it to tap Pami. So we are here to show you some certain things. Igbo culture. In our land, we have so many things. Very friendly. You get other place me go enter. And whenever you get you know go fit enter this kind of bush now. Sure now. My working place is too exclusive and fun to live. Very fun. But I'm sorry, I have to plead with you guys. My phone is not a big phone, you guys. So the video will not be that quality. But I'm promising you guys, once money enter my hand, I'll get a better phone to give you good screaming video about this my product here. Thank you. We are here to have some fun everywhere. Look at it. Everywhere. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. They don't do that one finish. See them now. But this one now is still a virgin. This is still a virgin. If they climb this one now, they will bring a lot of palm wine. A lot of palm wine here. Look at the other one over there. You can see the bamboo they put there. That one will still give you fresh a lot of palm wine because the new open it. This is the work of my brother. Me, I only help him to clear the land. You can see I have cleared here finish, and I have cleared here. Look at everywhere. I have cleared here, and this is our farm place where we tap Pami. We tap entering this bush. You have to be careful. You have to be careful because so many things you can see. But I made something not go back to my this leg man they manage. They used to enjoy myself. I know some money not the stand for myself. Look at my friends. I'm grateful. No, it's not easy to give for you to come. I love you all, very beautiful people. Hey, no worry. When I get better phone, I'll give you what you love. This is Africa traditional masquerade culture. I'm on my way. Look at river over there. River is down, but I'm not sure that I'll reach there. Let me check whether I can get there. A very big river. Our people normally come there to swim, to have fun, to chat. If you just want to wash away your shoes, you come inside here. Just day one place. Chat away your sorrow and go back home. When you are having some strange feelings about yourself, you are not happy, you want to do one or two, and nobody to do with you. Just come down here. I'm almost for fine, good. It's not that wide though, but I know you will like it. On the way, look at the garden that I did. This one is cocoyam, and don't fuck me up, surely, because the phone is too small and not the network did it. Okwa. Okwa. I don't know what they call it for English because we're there for here. Many they come here, they watch, but I believe here na English now we go the knock English. Anyhow English go there. I don't reach the river. And see, look at the small side. Look at the small side. Look at the small side. You can see as the river, the way is flowing down. And look at the small, look at, and see the boom. Egweji. Look at it. We normally come here to swim, to have fun, to do so many things. But if you want to get better girlfriend, they come this side because they go come swim. If they come swim like this, they have to make you happy, smile with you, give you some funny joke. After there, boom. When I don't engage you, when I don't involve, when I go there for this more they can that happen. It's not serious, more something, but it's not good. Of all these things. But I thank you. I promise that if I get a better phone, I'll give you a better video. Now, especially if I get only 30,000, I beg money. I'll give you a quality video, and I'll give you better, standard, legit content about my Masquerade. You know, actually be now. I'll give you a better content. That is my show for you. That is my promise to you. Look at where I am. Who go get mind? They this kind of place for this kind of money for our place. They not burn that person twice. They burn them only once. I tell you, Sam now. Very, very scary place. But I did there because nobody only me one day. I did with my God, my chi. My ancestors, my 24 elders, they did with me. No be choice play with day. And we they enter out together. See how I live now. Who they shake them? Who they shake them? Who they shake them? You see the river? See the river? Bomba. Shake it. How much you do you? Network done short to me. Done short to me. Invest for network because you don't insure to me here. What the fuck is happening here? Okay, it's happening here. Okay, you the front video for you to go the sham, you go the shake am, you go the sham, you go the shake am, you go the sham. We go front jump, enter the river. You go here, boom. Imiaka has in millions. Very fun to stay with. If you die outside country, this one na chilled river, no be river, you go there. You go there, fear weather, something like that, not there. But if you not be swimming, if you enter the river, you go carry you go where you don't know. You go believe more. Too much, man. They go. Network, you don't shut me too much, man. They go. work today. Next thing now to go. I will push my comedy to you guys here. I am a content creator, but only my wahala be I not get but get. I want if I want give on my comedy, you go there in standard quality camera, you get, where originated. Hey, when I show you, but what is that? See, I'm on my way to home. I'm going home. This one now what they call pancanel. Look at it. This one is still growing. Pancanel. Easy to be happy. And my fans, may I tell you one thing? Don't allow anything to tell you. That your happiness is your pride. I'm telling you, that happiness is your pride. Don't even no be woman born them. That one they disappear, they appear. Now allow me take it from you. I'm telling you. My bash, if you take it away from you, I'm not sure you go like yourself. Anywhere you do, yourself go to bitter you. You go be like say you eat bitter cola, but no be bitter cola. Sham na. Who they shake am na? Who they shake am na? They sham na. He they sham na. He get what he see. He like what? Sham na. Sham. Oh, they don't come. They don't come. Man, they don't go house. Another that shine be like say the bush can't they shake. Sham na down there, they can't do me jiggy. My body don't they shake, but they want me stop my video. I no go stop her. Come out, I carry cutlass. I go cut on her. I not even they fear your face. Who you be for my own farmland again? You won't come chase me out. You know they possible. Come out if you be man. If you no be man, no. If you be a girl, if you not girl, you go better now. Now that time everything goes to. Everything go come day all right. Yes, my wonderful fans. If you not lady day there, I dey single, I'm searching. I dey find a serious relationship. The one may go keep with me. May go do my heart good happiness. Happiness forever. And we go end in altar to do. Will you marry me, sweeto? I will marry you, honey. I love you, I do. Baby mo, I do. Omalecha mo, I do. You be my wife, oh. Onye mbu no be mo, I do. Baby mo, I do. Omalecha mo, I do. See that what do they call them? Palm wine. See the little ones that I just planted. Look at them. This one, see, now sure they go build, they go come they grow. Come grow like this one. Sham na. See the man here. Sham she big na. Sham na. She big. They sham. Now them full here. Ama de aka. Man na Ghana Express. No na. It's not there possible. You want metro? My way to home, I'm going house. My wonderful fans, thank you for this money. Thank you for your supportive hands, for your everything. Thank you. And I really try. See that ngwa. For Igbo land, with the column ngwa. Now ngwa with the column. This one. See the ngwa made it. As it done they grow now. Sham. Ngwa. The thing done they grow. This one, he gave the one made they call nkwacha. Sham. Now from Pankane, that one for the corn. Sham, Mkwacha, Pankane. See that? He made the call cocoa. See the tree. And the crime. I don't they come out. Hey, I don't climb the. See where from crime now come up. Isham, you know this. You just made the call Mkwacha here. Hey. My network cause Sham, I don't go far place now. Where we there now? I don't come up for that forest. And my house with this. See my house. Sorry that I show you guys everything. I don't get to write anything for you. I don't get to. In case you want to help me, you can help me. Now, they make person become a big man with person. A person they connect person. See my pina. Name more. Kedia.
You have seen them name.
No more to head of you move him now. See my wonderful mother all the way from Enugu State. Mommy, share good money to my fans.
Good man, sir.
And my mommy be this. I know they play with her more. I not joke with her at all. Now she be the reason why I balance for this life. I not feel joke with her. No matter the kind of money me won't use, intimidate me where my mommy did. Rather I go come on one of your eye. You go keep me for prison. Tomorrow we come out again. So my wonderful fans, we are about to leave you for now. Thank you. See you. Bye. Mommy, where we went into?
You know what I'm I don't know what